We all know what a defect is. It's something that's wrong, it's a flaw, a glitch. In a machine, a defect is anything that keeps it from working the way it should. Could be a loose screw, could be a software bug, could be a crack in the frame, could even be a lack of training or incorrect work instructions. Defects come in all shapes and sizes. Some are obvious, like a broken part. Others are hidden, like a faulty sensor. Defects are the root cause of problems and not the symptoms we observe about the problem. These problems can be small, like a slight drop in efficiency, or they can be huge, like a catastrophic failure. Nobody wants a disaster on their hands. That's why we need to understand defects and how to get rid of them. Defects can pop up at any stage in a plant's life. From the design phase to the manufacturing floor to years down the line, defects are always lurking. Bad design is a surefire way to introduce defects. If the blueprints are wrong, the finished product will be wrong too. Shoddy materials don't help either. Using cheap parts is like building a house of cards. Even with a good design and solid materials, manufacturing defects happen. Maybe a weld wasn't done right. Maybe a part wasn't tightened enough. Human error is a fact of life, but we can minimize it. Even if a machine starts out perfect, time and wear take their toll. Parts wear down, corrosion sets in, things break. That's why regular maintenance is so important. Defect elimination sounds simple. Get rid of defects. But it's more than just fixing what's broken. It's about preventing defects from happening in the first place. It's a proactive approach, not a reactive one. Instead of waiting for something to break down, we actively look for potential problems and fix them before they become real problems. We analyze data, inspect equipment, and listen to feedback from the people who know the machines best, the folks who operate them every day. Defect elimination means creating a culture of continuous improvement. It means building things right the first time. It means staying vigilant and addressing issues before they turn into disasters. Section 4. Proactive versus reactive. Fix it now or fix it later. There are two main ways to deal with defects: proactive and reactive maintenance. Proactive is like going to the doctor for a checkup. Reactive is like going to the emergency room with chest pains. One is a lot more painful and expensive than the other. Reactive maintenance is all about fixing things after they break. It's the wait-and-see approach. Sure, it's cheaper in the short term, but it leads to bigger problems down the road. Unexpected downtime, expensive repairs, and even safety hazards. Nobody wants that. Proactive maintenance is about preventing those problems before they happen. It's about regular inspections, scheduled maintenance, and replacing parts before they fail. It costs more up front, but saves money and headaches in the long run. Plus, it keeps things running smoothly. Section 5. Winning with defect elimination. Everybody benefits. Defect elimination isn't just good for the bottom line, it's good for everyone. Employees, companies, even the environment. It's a win-win-win situation. For employees, defect elimination means a safer workplace, less breakdowns, fewer accidents, and a more predictable workday. It also means less stress and frustration from dealing with faulty equipment. Who wouldn't want that? Companies benefit from increased efficiency, reduced downtime, and lower maintenance costs. Fewer defects mean less waste, less rework, and higher quality products. That translates to happier customers and a healthier bottom line. It's common sense. Even the environment benefits from defect elimination. Less waste means fewer resources consumed and less pollution generated. Sustainable practices are good for business and good for the planet. Section 6. Continuous improvement. Never stop fighting the good fight. Defect elimination isn't a one-time thing, it's a continuous process. It's about always striving to do better, to find new ways to prevent defects and to create a culture of quality. We need to encourage everyone to be on the lookout for potential problems. From the factory floor to the executive suite, everyone has a role to play in defect elimination. It's about teamwork, communication, and a shared commitment to excellence. We need to empower employees to speak up when they see something wrong. We need to give them the tools and training they need to identify and report defects, and we need to listen to their feedback and take action. Defect elimination is a journey, not a destination. It's about constantly learning, improving, and striving for perfection. It's about creating a workplace where everyone takes pride in their work, and where continuous improvement is everyone's responsibility, not just the reliability engineers. So there you have it. Defect elimination isn't just some fancy buzzword. It's a proven strategy for achieving operational excellence at BlueScope Steel. It's about creating a culture of continuous improvement, empowering your workforce, and reaping the rewards of a more reliable, more productive, and safer operation.